What do you think this device does? It is simple. It helps you to carry many tools at once. Shovels, rakes, hose, brooms, and other tools stay securely in place and don't wiggle around thanks to a special mounting system. The organizer holds 5 tools, weighs 5 pounds, and is equipped with a convenient handle. The manufacturer also offers clamps in various sizes for thicker or thinner handles. The organizer is made of steel and can be used both for carrying and for setting up a wall storage system, the most helpful tool for gardening activities, the manufacturer proudly states on its website. Some people want state-of-the-art technology for their gardens, while others opt for classic and time-honored solutions. This planter makes it easy to water plants, and it's very easy to use. Just place it in the ground, fill it with water, and you're good to go. Thanks to the special porous material shown in the video, the planter allows you to water your plants passively within a 3-foot radius. You only need to fill it once every 5 to 10 days. The manufacturer is confident that it will give the plants the right amount of water, reducing the risk of roots rotting due to heavy watering or drying out due to insufficient watering. The product is available in 3 sizes, so it's also suitable for large gardens. How many times have you tried to adjust the nozzle on a hose only to get a too powerful jet of water or a tiny little stream? Now, that problem is a thing of the past, thanks to this new generation nozzle invented in the United States. Engineers say that the design was inspired by the technology used by firefighters. As a result, it's extremely easy to change modes, and you can control the nozzle with just one hand. In maximum pressure mode, the nozzle will help clean dirt, mold, and other contaminants, while the height of the jet reaches the second floor. Meanwhile, a more modest pressure allows you to water beds, flowers, or the lawn. The special handle, which regulates the pressure, is easy to move with one finger, so the creators are sure that you can safely hold a cup of coffee in your other hand, making watering or washing the car even more pleasant. Finding a place to store a garden cart can be difficult. Luckily, there's now a product on the market that combines compactness, easy storage, and functionality. The design turned out to be so successful that even the Wall Street Journal recognized the cart as one of the 10 best gardening products of the year. The manufacturer offers 2 versions. The most compact weighs about 11 pounds and has a carrying capacity of 150 pounds. The fabric base allows you to move grass, garbage, firewood, rocks, and other loads thanks to the reinforced seams and a protective vinyl coating. The design folds up without tools, and the modest weight allows you to place it both on the ground and on the wall for storage. No more kneeling and tangling in wires, promise the Japanese marketers. This cordless cleaner, equipped with a special brush, will allow you to easily remove garbage, soot, moss, and other dirt with a minimal amount of effort. Along with the battery, it weighs 8.6 pounds and will run for about 51 minutes on a single charge. The handle and rod are adjustable, allowing you to find the best position. It comes with a universal brush, but you can buy other brushes, such as those for cleaning artificial turf. The brush fixing system lets you change the brushes even when wearing gloves, and there is a cover to protect the user from debris flying around. Next in line is the brainchild of German engineers. they offer a cordless brush cutter like this one. This is a professional tool that allows you to cut not only grass, but also bushes. One of the interesting features of this brush cutter is its compatibility with AR backpack batteries. One of these batteries allows you to cut about 33,368 square feet of grass on a single charge, which is quite impressive. The speed control system is also very unusual. Instead of the classic button, there is a special wide handle that can be easily pressed with one finger. The speed data is displayed on the built-in display. The components are reliably protected against moisture, so that you can use the brush cutter even in the rain. The most powerful cordless blower in the world is on your screens. Its creators are sure that it will remove not only leaves, but also dirt, snow, and even stones. The device is capable of accelerating the air to about 180 miles per hour, which is comparable to a hurricane. One battery charge is enough for 90 minutes of work, and the brushless motor ensures a low vibration level. A special wheel is responsible for speed control, but if you're in a hurry, there is a big turbo button. There are several nozzles for comfortable cleaning, and the battery can be easily removed for recharging or replacement. The manufacturer is sure that this is a toy worth bragging about, and we feel that there will be a lot of impressive videos with this device on YouTube. This tool, reminiscent of the weapons from fantasy RPG characters, actually serves for quite peaceful purposes. Anyone with trees on their property will find it useful because its main feature is a combination of a saw and a pruner. The telescopic design extends 14 feet, allowing you to reach even high up branches. It's made with fiberglass, which makes it strong and lightweight as well. The steel pruner is designed with power lever technology to cut branches twice as efficiently, and the 15-inch long detachable saw is good for sturdier and thicker branches. The quick lock system makes your work safer by preventing the tool from accidentally folding at the most crucial moment. Turn leaves, branches, sticks, and similar debris into mulch with this wood chipper. It runs at up to 4,100 RPM, and thanks to its powerful motor, it can handle branches up to 1.57 inches thick. The system is compact, equipped with removable wheels, and allows you to immediately load the mulch into almost any height-appropriate container, such as a bag. The electric drive ensures that there's no unpleasant odor or smoke. The creators of the wood chipper remind, with its help, you can not only get rid of waste, but also contribute to the environment by recycling. A key feature of this pump is the multi-flow technology, which makes it effective even at a 1/16-inch water level. The pump is suitable for almost any situation, from flooded basements to pumping out water accumulated on the roof. If necessary, it can even be used in basins and buckets. Reliable operation is ensured by a unique multi-ring filter, which collects debris and doesn't allow it to reduce pumping efficiency. The pump is capable of pumping up to 1,350 gallons of water per hour, and compatibility with a standard garden hose allows you to get started as quickly as possible. A simpler but no less useful system is offered by the creators of this spreader. It will come in handy if you need to evenly distribute something loose, sand, salt, fertilizer, or seeds. You can also use it as a watering can. The spreader is useful all year round. In the summer, for example, it can be used to fertilize the soil, and in the winter, it can be used to spread de-icing agents. You can regulate the spreading intensity through the cell forms regulation. and the lid is equipped with a special mechanism for safe locking. The spreader has a 0.5 gallon capacity and a measuring scale. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to operate with one hand. Nature is unpredictable, and you have to be ready for its every whim. According to the manufacturer of this pruner, it weighs 3.1 pounds and can run for up to 25 minutes on a single battery charge. Engineers point out that the model is powerful, but quiet, so you won't need any ear protection. The ergonomic body allows you to securely hold it with two hands. The compact chain ensures a smooth cut and can be removed and installed by hand without tools. There is a small display to show the battery level and condition of the tool. There's also a bottle of oil and a storage bag included with the pruner, a vital addition to both amateur and professional toolkits, the manufacturer assures. A nice rest in your garden is often interrupted by the thought that it would be nice to water the plants. This smart system will do all the work for you. Just install it, connect it to the water source, and set the parameters. The system was developed in Germany, and it stands out for its attention to even the smallest details. Users have access to a special app that allows them to arrange up to 36 watering cycles per day. One watering session can last 1 minute or more. All settings are accessible both from mobile devices and computers, and a system of direct control is provided. In addition, the sensors of the system will give information about temperature, humidity, and other parameters, allowing you to arrange remote watering in case you're away for a long time.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.